I am Dr. Woo-Soo Kim, an associate professor in Simon Fraser University. My research lab is focused on 3D printing, design, and manufacturing. And we're interested in manufacturing, helping personal protective equipment for this pandemic situation. So one of the example we devoted is a hands-free door handle. So by using this door handle, we don't need to touch our hands to doorknob. Instead, we can push with our forearm or push by our forearm. Then we don't need to touch our hands to the doorknob. We designed this doorknob and 3D printed a few hours per unit. And then this idea comes from my collaborator, actually. As you may see, we're locating in SFU Surrey campus, so we're very close to City of Surrey, and one of innovation manager in City of Surrey, Stephen Wu, he suggests me to think about this and then make some prototypes for them to help their the city hall, the frontline workers. So we provide around, we prepared 50 units of these hands-free door handles, and then we provide around 20 units for them, and then they use that in front of their doors of the offices. After the COVID virus is spread, I always think about the community engaged contribution, and this is one of the effort we created with the City of Surrey. And City of Surrey frontline workers, they need to come to serve citizens every day as a frontline workers. So but they don't want to touch their doorknobs every day. Same situation, right? So that's a motivation and a driving force why we made this for them.